Hi, this is Henk Akkermans, Supply Network Dynamics, Chapter 5, clip number 1, the pencil shop example. In order to illustrate the strange dynamics that order up to systems generate, the same systems that are all everywhere in ERP systems, let's make a little model here. Let's call this my stock of pencils, and I am a little pencil shop. And of course I have a normal demand rate, pencil sales rate, pencil sales rate of well, a normal sales rate. And let's say that normal sales rate is like 10. So the pencil sales rate is equal to the normal sales rate. And let's also say that my safety stock time here in the pencil stock itself, safety stock time is 2 periods worth of pencils. Let's, for the sake of doing this decently, make the run specs for days, and let's do this for, oh, that's okay. Okay, what I can then say of the safety, and let's have a expected sales rate here as well, expected sales rate. And to keep this simple, let's simply say that the current sales rate is equal to the expected sales rate. You would smooth that out over time normally, but in this case we're happy with the way it is. Initial stock would then be how much you expect that you're going to sell times how many days worth of sales you want to have in there. Okay. And then we have to replenish this with pencil arrival rate. Now, how many of those pencils will I want to have? Well, of course, as many as I expect to be selling, plus any inventory corrections. What are those inventory corrections? Well, they depend on the current inventory and the target inventory. Let's call this target inventory. And what the target inventory is, we already saw. That's the expected sales rate times the safety stock time. And if we have 20 on sales here and 2 days here, that will be 20. Target inventory, expected sales rate times the safety stock time. Okay. Pencil arrival rate will be this. Yes. But also plus this here. What are those inventory corrections? That's the target inventory minus my stock of pencils. If we would consider doing this not instantaneously, then we would have a time delay here, but for the time being, let's keep it like this. Expected sales rate plus inventory corrections. Now, if I now run this in a normal way, nothing much will happen. That is, I have 20 here, I have 10 going out here, and I most likely will have 10 being bought here as well. Let's see if that's correct. So everything's flat. Now what will happen, I ask you, if there is an increase at demand step size of, say, 2. So now the pencil sales rate will be the normal step rate plus a step size of 2 up here. What will happen? Oh, let's do it better. So we got plus demand step size. And let's put step formula up here. Might be better. What will happen here? So I have and I'm going to have a outflow here of 12. What will be the inflow? Have you got an idea? Well, let's see. Bang, this is what will happen. Let's put the, let's have a common line here, common axis. Okay, this is what you get. You see that the stock of pencil will gradually increase, but as a result of a firm increase in pencil arrivals. The increase in up here in sales is just 20%, 10 plus 2. The increase in extra purchases is 16. So that's 3 times as much, and that's in every ERP system. They, by nature, because they follow the order up to system, will amplify any fluctuations in downstream demand upstream.